Hello friends, welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about ONEXPLAYER X1 gaming handheld. So friends, ONEXPLAYER is introduced X1 large gaming handheld device and it functions as a tablet, detachable keyboard and detachable controller, and the devices comes with Intel Core Ultra processor series, Intel Core Ultra 5 125H and Core Ultra 7 155H, and the company is AMD version will be launching soon, and the new system will be feature the Ryzen 7 8840U processor and the AMD's latest APU based on Hawk Point Silicon, and the user will gain access to 8 Zen 4 core and 12 RDNA 3 compute unit and is equipped with state-of-art technology. The X1 Mini handles the most demanding games and applications with edge, delivering smooth and responsive gameplay, superior visual and audio experience. The 144Hz refresh rate display for ultra smooth visual and equipped with Harman EFX Tune audio for impressive sound experience, and detachable controllers offer both traditional handheld and console type gaming, providing flexibility and comfort for all type of gamers, and the design for prolonged use. The X1 Mini ensures that user can enjoy continuous gameplay and media consumption without frequently recharge, and featuring native Oaklink and full feature USB 4.0 port, and the X1 ensures superior connectivity, supporting a wide array of peripherals and facilitating high-speed data transfers. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.